Yeah, you cannot. You guys, it's hard to see the road. It really is. Right, we're almost in Port Sheldon. Port Sheldon Lakeshore. Onto Margaret Avenue. Here we are. Look at that. Very intense winds. Is that sign shaking? The sign is shaking. That sign is shaking right there. Wow, look at that. Yeah, the gates are open. The gates are open, Dad. 9 to 10 p.m. Whatever. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that. Look at here. No, turn the vehicle more to the left. Turn it more to the left. Yeah, we'll be fine. Look at that.
Before it stops snowing.
You guys see this, right? Look at, whoa! Very intense winds. Here, let me head out of the car. You are standing here. No, you want to be able to see it. Yeah, it says no animals. Oh, wow. I'm struggling to open the door.
Shut the door because I don't want to stay warm. I think he's happy that we stopped by here.
We got it, guys. We got the blizzard-like conditions. We finally found them. Nate, yep, go live. Oh, it's windy. Oh, boy. Hey, Nader. Hey, what's up?
Oh, not much. We just got out of Mr. Bird. We shut down early.
It's like you've been in a crash. My phone will trigger emergency SOS if you don't respond.
It thinks we've got to cancel it. Don't
Yeah, cancel.
Okay, let's get the heat on.
All right, bye.
Okay.
All right, how was work?
You know, very slow. We shut down 15 minutes early. We were going to shut down 45 minutes. Somebody finished.
All right. Look at this. You see this, Nate?
Okay, I'm going to try to do my best to record and drive without a phone stand.
Yeah, this is in Port Sheldon Beach. Winds are up to 30 miles per hour at least. They're trying.
You have your little wind speed thing?
I do. It's in here, but I don't think it works.
Try it.
Well, it's in here. You have to mingle with it. But so this is Hudsonville, everyone. Nate is in Hudsonville. Hudsonville, Mr. Burger.
Okay, yeah. The roads are a sheet of ice. I just pulled out and just didn't pull out.
Oh, that's funny. People on Facebook, Nate is live on Instagram right now, heading back home. Yeah, the batteries are dead. Shoot. Look at that. The winds are only getting worse. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm not stopping.
Yeah, don't record Nate if you are putting your life in danger or if you don't feel comfortable.
I'll just drop this on. You'll probably hear me scream and cuss a couple times.
Okay, Nate. Thanks for letting us know.
I mean, as long as nobody,
It's getting
stops, I'll be fine.
Yeah. Look at this.
I mean, I'm feeling going like 40 miles an hour right now.
Yeah, I'm trying to look at your screen. It looks like it's pretty windy.
It's windier here.
Yeah, it's definitely windier here. I'm sorry.
My window is also kind of icy over here.
Yeah, that's fair.
Oh, okay, let's go take it on here. Yeah. Okay, I got to come to a turn now. I'm coming up on Fort Sheldon and 28.
Oh, so right by Heritage, yeah. Or,
Yeah, I just passed Heritage.
okay.
Like family tracks for hunting. I could take a left and head west out Fort Sheldon.
Okay.
If I stop.
All right. Sounds good, dude. Yeah, we're in Port Sheldon, right by the beach, and we're getting blizzard conditions.
Yeah, visibility is, I can see the stoplight at Rosewood from Fort Sheldon, so visibility is about like a mile-ish, I think. Maybe a little less.
Yeah.
So it's not terrible.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just 305. I mean, I'll take it. Oh, my mom's yelling at me.
Nate,
Play your phone.
did you not check with your parents? You leaving by?
No.
Oh, okay, I didn't hear you. Wow, look at that. This is crazy what we're getting right now. I have never seen winds this intense in a storm. I need to post that on Twitter.
It's not that windy here.
Yeah. Is there a lot of trees by you, or?
The trees do not seem moving very much.
Yeah.
You
The
gotta-
car is shaking. Our car is shaking.
You gotta do another video of this. It's getting worse.
Yeah. All right, you guys need to talk to my dad. I need to get this all on video. Dad, you better talk to them.
Just to let you know, I am driving safe, okay? I still have one hand on the wheel.
All right. All right. That's good.
I get yelled at when I get home.
That's fine. My dad approves.
You gotta go do a video.
Yeah, I know. I'm
Oh,
working
no,
on it.
you're just yelling at me too. Great, the whole family's watching me.
Yeah, your family is ranting out on you right now. Yeah, sorry, Nate's family. I kind of. What?
Eyes on the road, not the tree, your mom said.
What?
Why did you bring your dog?
You just wanted to come along. He always gets excited.
He knows that we're going storm chasing now, and he loves it. He just likes to get out of the house.
Yeah, he wants to do stuff.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
He's smart.
Say hi, Junior. Come here. Say hi to Nate.
You say hi?
Okay, that's explains.
Now you know what it's like for me, Nate.
You're just gonna blend into the snow out
Yeah,
there.
it's kind of sad.
Yeah, I need
Here.
You guys know he just passed me.
And then he breaks right away.
Yeah.
So they almost did just spin out. I saw them kick their back end a little bit.
Yeah.
That'd be funny if they pass you and then they go in the ditch and then
Yeah.
you keep driving.
Are there a lot of cars out there, Nate? Or
There are 3 cars in front of me, 1 car behind me.
okay.
I'm not sure where they all came from.
Oh, I'm assuming you're getting close to home, right?
Yeah, I'm about to turn northbound on 40th.
Okay.
And then, yeah, I got like 3 more minutes until I'm gonna head out of here.
Okay.
Well, thank you, Nate, for being live.
Yep, no problem. I'm still getting yelled at, but, you know, whatever.
Slow down.
Slow down. How fast are you going, Nate?
I know I'm going 25.
Okay, that's safe enough.
I don't think I went over 35.
All right.
That sounds a lot about like what we were doing today.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was like 25 to 35 most of the time.
It just looks faster on video, okay?
I know. I'm not gonna argue with that. You know what I mean? So it's true.
It looks phenomenal.
Wow, look at that. I need to get that vid. All right, I'll be back in just a second. I'm gonna get some more vid. Here, switch the video camera.
Okay.
Talk to my.
12 people on this thing right now. We're popular.
Yeah, 11 people's a lot of people, Nate.
12 people. That's a lot of people.
All right, my dad's gonna talk.
Like 4 before I hopped on.
My dad's gonna talk to you now, Nate. I'm gonna be back. Talk to my dad.
I'm going to video Drew and I guess talk to you, Nate.
Yeah. So, how was your day?
Oh, work, came home,
Yeah.
and then went chasing with Drew.
Nice. Yep, I worked on the farm in the cold, worked out,
Yep.
and I worked again at Mr. Burger. And I'm talking with Drew.
Yeah, I was just there the other day, actually. Wednesday, I was there.
Oh, really?
Around noon, but.
Okay, yep, I would have been there then.
Should I leave Drew here? Drew just took off running. What are you laying on the ground for?
You're laying on the ground? Oh, Drew.
What are you doing, Drew? Oh, man. Oh, it's cold! It's so cold! It's so cold! Oh, boy!
Jeez, holy cow.
Jeez, it is so cold out there. It is so cold.
Well, Drew, it is snowing outside. So
Well,
that makes sense that it's cold.
it was all about the shot, Nate. It was all about the shot.
Right, yeah. All about the shot.
Oh, boy. Oh,
There's
boy.
not a single car involvement. That's good. At least I can take my time.
Oh, you're wet. Your phone's wet, Dad. I got some.
You just drive in the turn lane. It's better that way. There's no ice. It's just snow.
Yeah, I was. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna camp out here and just sleep here. I'm not gonna go home. I'm just gonna stay here. Chase here.
The wind is picking up a little bit here. I just had a big gust of snow blow in front of me.
Yeah.
I'm heading out westbound and follows it now.
Did you just burp?
Yes, I did.
What the world? This is so unprofessional.
Yep, I'm going to towards my street, so I'm going to have to get out of here soon and then go get killed in person.
I'll tell your parents that you had the permission of the storm chaser Groovy, so that should be a good enough
Right,
reason.
because
I have experience, so.
there's so much connection with my parents.
Yeah, yeah. All right. Thanks, Nate. You didn't die.
Yep, I'm going to head out.
All right.
Yeah, we didn't die.
Yep. See ya. All right. That was fun. I'm going to start posting stuff, and we're going to stay here for a little bit to show you guys how intense the winds are. This is Port Sheldon. They kind of died down. Sorry, Facebook. I haven't really talked to you a lot. We had a long Instagram chat with Nate. But this is Port Sheldon. This was a great idea to go here.
We got here since probably helped too.
Yeah, I would. Intense winds.
Those drifts got to be 6 inches or more.
All right, let me show you guys anything interesting that we had. Oh, this was earlier this afternoon. This was in Holland. Couldn't see the road at all. And now you're going to have that with 30-mile-per-hour winds. Oh, wow. No. Yeah, give me the phone.
Get back here.
Get back, get back. Oh boy. I'm telling you, if you're out there for 10 minutes, you're gonna have hypothermia and die. I'm being serious. All right, back to posting. Sheesh. Ooh. It is cold out there. I don't know which video to pick because they're all good.
Yeah, I think it's a pretty good video, though.
Yeah, not that one. No.
This is probably the highlight of our whole trip.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it is windy. I'm trying to find a better.
Sheldon Beach, 30 mile per hour wind gusts. Just after 10 p.m. I bet you it's more than 30 miles per hour.
Well, it's better to be low than high. I'm surprised they had the gate open.
Oh, that reminds me. We want to leave before we close it. We good to go?
I believe so.
Okay, where it came in, I can't even see where it came in.
Whoa. That was some pretty good drifting. I had no idea what was happening for a second. Alright, let's get out of here. They do have security cameras here.
Did it?
Yeah, but the snow's covering our license plate, so.